Welcome to our tutorial on how to report individual direct messages on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. First, click into the direct message conversation, where you can find the specific message you'd like to flag for review. Next, locate the information icon within the conversation and click on Report Username to initiate the reporting process. If you choose the option, it's abusive or harmful, Twitter may prompt you to provide additional details about the issue you are reporting to ensure a thorough investigation. Once you have submitted your report, Twitter will offer recommendations for any further actions you can take to enhance your overall experience on the platform. By following these steps, you can help maintain a safe and positive environment for yourself and others on Twitter by reporting individual direct messages that violate the platform's guidelines. Remember, reporting inappropriate or harmful messages is an important way to contribute to a healthier online community and promote respectful communication. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to report individual direct messages on Twitter using your PC. Take charge of your online experience and utilize these tools to create a safer and more enjoyable environment for everyone.